Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to design app screens using free components in Adalo. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once the page loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, open the app where you want to design screens. Now click on the screen you want to design or add a new screen. From the left Components panel, drag free components like text, button, image, or input onto the screen. Arrange the components by moving and resizing them on the canvas. Click on each component to adjust text, style, and alignment from the right panel. Use consistent spacing to keep the design clean. Avoid overcrowding the screen with too many components. Use containers or simple layouts to organize content. Preview the screen to check how it looks on mobile. Make small design adjustments if needed. Once that's done, your app screen is designed using free components. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.